Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 317. I'll show you a simple method you can try to clear the Roblox files that may be causing the problem. Make sure you follow each step carefully, and let's get started. First, completely close Roblox. We also need to make sure that Roblox isn't still running in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the running apps and background processes and find anything related to Roblox. If you see Roblox running, right-click on it and select End Task. Make sure Roblox is completely closed before moving to the next step. Once you've done that, close Task Manager. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type in %local app data % and press Enter. This will open your local app data folder. Now look for a folder called Roblox. Once you find it, right-click on the Roblox folder and select Delete. If Windows asks you to confirm, simply click Yes. Don't worry, deleting this local folder will not delete your Roblox account, purchases, or game progress. These are connected to your account, and Roblox will automatically recreate the necessary local files when you launch Roblox again. After deleting the folder, close File Explorer and any other applications you have open. Now, restart your computer. This is important because it completely refreshes Windows and closes any remaining background processes. Once your computer starts again, open Roblox normally and try launching the game that was giving you error code 317. Roblox should recreate the required files automatically. Check if the error has disappeared and see if you can join your game normally. If you're still experiencing the same problem, you can also try reinstalling Roblox or checking your internet connection. So to quickly recap, close Roblox, end the Roblox processes, open %local app data %, delete the Roblox folder, restart your PC, and launch Roblox again. Hopefully this helped you fix Roblox Error Code 317. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.